Best Faculty Tutor and Partners. I am Rosa Maria Frade. I'm from Bogota. This is my last semester to degree in English as a foreign language at UNAT. I belong to SEAD Jose Acevedo Gomez. I hope and I want to do the best in this course because I know it provides me useful tools in order to understand the structure of the language. This activity is to the course Language Forms and Function task number 1. A. How do you compare the quotation from Wallace Chafe at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistic? I can understand respect to linguistic, we pay more attention to the form than in the background. And that is because linguistic is part of our daily routine, in which it's necessary to express our ideas to being understood. For this reason, we exchange ideas and thoughts without thinking about the parts of the speech, because it's an unconscious process where the main objective is to express coherent information. On the other hand, being aware that this phenomenon means following the rules and laws of linguistics to use the language correctly. B. Why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apprehensiveness? Is this your case? Explain. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you something about linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific discipline that investigates the origin, evolution, and structure of language in order to deduce the laws that govern language. I mean ancient and modern languages. Thus, linguistics study the fundamental structure of human language and their variation across all language families. But maybe sometimes I'm afraid to this discipline because I believe that it's related to the correctness in communication. That implies not committing grammatical errors. But I realize that its file is broader, not only in relation to the function but also in the shape. C. Is linguistics about correctness in language use? Explain. Before reading the text and Introduction to Linguistics and Language Studies by McCabe 2011, I realized that linguistics is not about correctness in the use of language or form, but of the forms of described language, not only refers to prescription. However, each linguistic must have a solid base in grammar, which is considered as a set of rules that govern the possible combination of the linguistic elements, that first produce the sentence and then the speech, either as a system of principle, which allows rules with their own identity that give rise to each of the known languages. The last one is, what are the names of the greatest contributors to linguistic field? How would you label each of them? Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics. Noam Chomsky, the groundbreaking of structuralism theory. M.A.K. Halliday, the proponent of systemic functional linguistics, SLF. Thank you very much for your attention and see you then. Bye.